laughter here in such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, La. Thank you for everything. Thank you sa pagpanggani mo na ni Binbin. And wish you good health always. And more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Love you.
Happy birthday na. Hope nga daghan pang birthday nga maabot nimo, tagaan ka umayong lawas sa kahitasan. More birthdays to come and God bless you. Salamat sa imong kayo diri namo nga imong mga igsoon, o salamat sa imong pagsuporta nako o sa pagsabot sa akong pagkabandungon. Kasi love you na. Happy birthday again. Love you, love you.
Happy birthday si Bonita ni Tia. Mahinaot ko nga anak ka kanunay sa mayong panglawas o tagaan ka sa atong labaw nga magkagagahom o taas pa nga kinabuhi Tia. Amping kanunay and God bless.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday, Nay. Pila na imong edad karon, Nay. May you have many, many more birthdays to come, Nay. I love you, Nay. Yes, si Halo, Nay. No, great sa di mo. Happy birthday, Nay. Birthday, Nay! Hi!
Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Nay, happy birthday! Yeah!
Happy birthday!
Lucas, happy birthday!
Lucas, happy birthday, Nay! Happy birthday!
Hi, Nay! Happy 68th birthday! Salamat sa tanan sa walay kupa sa pagmahal sa akong mga anak. Amping kanunay sa lawas. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Nay. I miss you very much. Bye-bye.
Hi, Lola. It's great that you have another birthday. I wish you all the very best in your life and lots of years to come. And try to be happy always. I know it's difficult. It's time for you to be happy, but try to be happy. It's your birthday. Lots of love from me. Always.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday. Gikan sa imuhang mapinanggaon nga anak. Salamat sa tanan sa imuhang pag-amuma namo, sa tanan nga sakripisyo nga imong gihatag kanamo. Magpasalamaton kami sa kahitasan nga gitagaan kita nining adlaw aron sa pagsaulog sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. I know nga na-surprise ka, pero para namo, you deserve a party. We hope nga unta tagaan ikaw og mga maayong panglawas sa atong kahitasan ug ma-enjoy ka sa imuhang pagsaulog karong adlaw. Take care and God bless. We love you very much. Bye.
You should change your name to laughter. It brings joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to good. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to
Nagpa-surprise. Ilang mga gikan. Ipaandam ng mga unsa nga. Ang mura na surprise. Surprise, Jun.